Okay, so one of the things I really recommend you guys do, especially if you're starting off, is always give yourself extra time to get to the event, first of all, on time, and get familiar with how long it takes you to set up your presentation. Because if you guys are barely starting off and you're constantly adding equipment and effects to your presentation, it takes a little longer and a little longer. And sometimes you guys will have an event on the second floor with probably no elevators. So factor that in, plus traffic shifts and changes. Right now, I'm on my way to make an event happen for a high school, and we are booked for 2 hours. That's $6.99, so almost $700. And I'm gonna go ahead and keep producing this content for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Vamonos. Here we go, unexpected rain. It is what it is. Be early, okay guys? I'm just unloading now. I'm gonna use this pull wagon to carry all this equipment into the location where I'm gonna be placing the 360 booth at. Just want to take a quick moment here to just embrace nature and just be grateful at how beautiful this location is. Now, once I make it out to my spot, I start going into creator mode. You want to really get that vision of how your production is going to look after. One of the things I started doing is I'm trying to put as many things into just 3 to 4 boxes, containers. That way, I make less trips back and forth to the SUV. And I encourage you guys to do the same. Sunset right there. It looks gorgeous. Right here, I'm working on my laser lights. All of the links, guys, to this equipment is going to be placed in the actual description box. Right here, I'm just giving out cues to the young ladies here, letting them know, hey guys, go ahead and make good eye contact with the phone. There you go. They're vibing out really good. And then for this shot right here, what I wanted to do is I really wanted to level it to make sure that we have a good amount of their bodies captured, right? So you guys will be able to see in the videos that it's a good idea to always level it out. And also what's really nice is the way the phone is placed on here, everyone can see a sneak peek at the video. So I added more lights just now, and it's starting to get a little darker here. And what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to start turning up these lights a little brighter so that I can get a really clean shot. Just wanted to send shout outs to Lush Studio. I get a lot of props from Lush Studio. I'm going to place their link in the description box as well. And these are the props that I work with. Now, as you guys can see, the group of ladies that I have right here on the 360 booth are kind of far away from the cold sparkles. And I do that on purpose because I don't want the cold sparkles light to affect the lighting too much when it's being recorded. I don't want their faces to glow up too much. And now that it's getting darker, you guys can start seeing the RGB lights and the laser lights along with the disco lights and all that great stuff kind of really coming into play. And that's what I love. I love doing events at nighttime because I just go off with the cold spark machines, the fog machines, and all the cool lights that I have, and that equals a good time. So that's what it's all about, right? Having a great time, producing those memories. And here I am. Now, I tell the ladies to always continue rocking it out. I tell them don't wait for the phone to come around. Just keep rocking the whole entire time. That way you guys can capture all that greatness and make sure that it gets captured, not last minute. So I try to give them the best cues as possible, and that's how I end up with some cool videos. Finally a wrap. I'm on my way home, but I'm going to make a quick stop because, as you guys know, as 360 booth directors, hyping up the crowd works up an appetite. So I'm probably going to stop by for some unhealthy fast food, right? The highlights of the night was the fact that I stood an extra 35 minutes because they were inside giving out awards, and I felt like, some of the people didn't get an opportunity to get on the 360 booth. So I told the director, hey, let's make sure everyone that hasn't been on gets on. That way everyone can take a memory with them. And so that's what I ended up doing, and hopefully I can reach out to the client and ask them for a 5-star review. Had a good time, and so let's continue building the community. Good luck on your next event, guys. Stay positive. I'll see you guys on the next one.